What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually going to be hanging out with the homie Ryan. He's going to be doing the brakes on my wife's car. And we're going to be kind of going over some things for the Ultima. I'm kind of at a weird crossroads right now, where finally there's a few things I really want to do on the car, but I'm torn on waiting for the next car. It's some things that I feel like should really be done, that needs to be done, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so the main thing that needs to be done is the suspension. Not only does it need to be dialed in so I can be even all around, this doesn't look quite that bad. It actually looks pretty good. Could definitely be a little lower in the front. The rear was pretty good. Here, I need camber so we can adjust so both sides are even. Of course, back there, I still don't have the bag in, so that's the issue. But on top of that, I have a coilover over bag setup, and I believe the coilovers are shot because I got them used, and I got them from my old Ultima, and it came from one of my homies' old Ultimas, and I think that came from an old Maxima. So the coilovers themselves are probably 9, almost 10 years old. So they definitely, I believe it's definitely an issue there, because as I'm driving, it's super bouncy now. It wasn't bouncy before. There may be some other issues going on, but it's real bouncy, and it's almost annoying to drive, depending on the road that I'm on. So that's definitely the main thing that needs to be addressed. Now, as far as the music, I definitely want to do some more with that, but let me go ahead and head to the homie's house and we'll kind of talk more about that. Alright, so I made it here. Looks good, especially seeing this in the light in the daytime. I'm always here at nighttime. Alright, so of course, you know I got to do a little walk around. But yeah, like I was saying, so my audio, the issue that I'm really facing is, it depends on the song, but for the most part, the bass is so crazy, and I have the radio set to 0 for bass, and I have the tuning on it set to 0 as well for the gain. But some songs is still so bass heavy that you can barely hear the words. So I definitely need I have a couple tweeters. Definitely need some more. I need to do the interior speakers. You see the tweeter there. I do have the same ones in my car, but they're not really, it's not enough. So I believe I need another amp and to do the speakers on the doors and everything. Just the interior speakers, and I think that'll sound a lot better. And sometimes if I have the volume down low, you still just hear the bass and you don't hear the words as well. So that's definitely something I've been wanting to address with the car, because it does get kind of annoying trying to just drive and listen to something normally at times. So definitely want to address that. And as far as the other things, another thing I really want to address is the roof, because that wrap is done. So I really want to just get that re-wrapped. Those are the main things that are like really pressing and eating away at me. As far as some other stuff like switching wheels and doing the interior and redoing the trunk, well, no, redoing the trunk, I do really want to do that. Mostly so we can kind of clean up a few things on that, and the wires and things of that nature. But like I said, everything is still in the air, because I really am about to get rid of the car. So don't really want to put all that time and money into it, but still might have it for another 5 months, 6 months maybe. But yeah, 5 or 6 months is a long time to still be living with that. So don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do just yet, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted, and let me know in the comment section what you think I should do. But yeah, that's kind of where we at right now. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much what I'm thinking so far. Oh, sorry about that. What I'm thinking so far when it comes to what to do with the Ultima. One thing I am kind of leery about is when I go to trade it in, the headliner, because you know I got the star headliner, how that's gonna go. Most of the homies already have the star headliner, so it's not like I could just swap out mine for theirs. So we'll see. It depends on a few other things. I might check out to see how much it would be for a headliner at the junkyard, but I might just leave it in there. Who knows? But yeah, I don't want to drag this video out too much longer, but I did want to go ahead and do the comment of the day, and that goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you might be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.